How to track bills in Mint. First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website. Then log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look at the left side menu and click on Bills. Here you will see all your bills that are already linked to your accounts along with their due dates and amounts. Next, review the list of upcoming bills. Mint automatically pulls bill information from your linked account so you can see what's due and when all in one place. You can sort these bills by due date or by the company name, which helps in planning your payments. You can also click on any bill to see more details like past payment and the bill history. This helps you track your spending and check if any payments have been missed or are overdue. Mint also shows you reminders for bills that are coming up soon. Make sure your notification settings are enabled so you receive alerts by email or on your device, keeping you informed without having to constantly check the site. Finally, use the timeline view in the bills section to get a clear visual of your monthly payment schedule. This helps you understand when the busiest payment periods are and manage your cash flow better. And that's it. Now you know how to track bills in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.